myself Abhijit Dev, and this is Digital Electronics Lab. Today's experiment is design of and full subtractor using logic gates. First of all, we do the half subtractor using logic gates. The truth table is suppose input A, B in, and the output is difference, D for difference, D for board. So for 0, 0. If we subtract 0 from 0, then difference 0 and borrow 0. From 0 to 1, if we subtract 1 from 0, then difference is 1 and borrow is 1. From 1 to 0, then difference is 1, borrow is 0. From 1 to 1, difference 0 and borrow 0. From the truth table, if we design K-map, we get the expression for half subtractor, that is for D, A exclusive or B in, and for B, that is borrow, A bar B in. Okay, from this expression we have to design the circuit. So we take two input A and B in. A, B in. So for difference we have to design from B in and from A. Go into exclusive OR gate. This is, so it is D. And for B, that is borrow, that's A bar. So you have to take a NOT gate. That is A bar and B in. This is B in. Go to, there is dot, that is AND gate. So this is B, borrow. Then in previous class I told that we have to give pin number if we know the pin number of any gate. So it is not, we know the NOT IC 7404 and input pin 1, output pin 2. You can take any pin, that is 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output. I get the first gate, 1 input, 2 output. Next, for the exclusive OR gate, the IC number is 7486. Pin number as NAND. You know the NAND pin number, 1 2 input, 3 output. You can take 4 5 input, 6 output, 10 9 input, 8 output. Okay. Next, for AND, the IC number is 7408. It is quad 2 input NAND IC. Pin number as same as 7486 XOR 1 2 3. Okay. So this is half subtractor circuit using logic gates. We have to need three type of gates, that is NOT, XOR and AND. We move to the full subtractor. We need another input, that is C, this input section. and this is output section. D for difference, B for borrow. Okay, 0 0 0 difference, 0 borrow 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, 0 from 0 same. So 0, if we subtract 1 from 0, then difference is 1, borrow is 1. For these two, difference 1, borrow 1, and as this is 0, output will be same, 1 1. Okay, from this 0 1, if you subtract 0 to 1, then difference 1, borrow 1. Then you subtract 1, then 1 to 1 0 and 1. So difference is 0, borrow is 1. Okay. So difference is 0. You can see it, borrow is 1. From 1 to 0, that is difference 1, borrow 0. 1 to 0, difference 1, borrow 0. If we subtract again 1, then difference will be 0, borrow will be 0. For 1 1, it will be same. From 1 to 1, if we subtract 1 to 1, from 1 to 1, then difference 0, borrow 0. And then 1 subtract, then difference 1, borrow 1. So it is 1 and 1. So it is the truth table of full subtractor. I think you understand the truth table. We have to design first. We have to get the expression of D and B from the K-map. If you design K-map, you get the expression that is D. We have to write here. For D, it is for D it is A exclusive or B in exclusive or C in, and for B, that is for borrow, it is A bar B in plus A bar C plus B in C. Okay, we have to design the circuit now. From the expression, you can see that there is a bar. So it is input line A. You have to take A bar also. So it is for A bar line. It is A bar line. Next input B in. Next input C. Okay. First we design for B. A bar into B. So A bar into B, and next A bar C. It is dot, so it is for AND gate. Next B in C. We have to add all of these. So for addition, we have to take OR and C. This is OR. We get this two-type addition, output of this, then go to another OR. You can take this 3 output in a single OR for 3 input OR. As we have available 2 input OR, so we cascade this one. Next, this for exclusive OR. So A, this is C bar, C, this is B, both going to exclusive OR gate, and the output of this going to next. So this is B and this is D. B in C. go to here, we get the output B in exclusive or C, then A add to this gate, then we get output A exclusive or B in exclusive or C. Okay, so these are the truth table and these are the circuits of half and full subtractor. Now we have to give the pin number. For NOT, pin number 1, 2. Then AND. This 3 AND. First get 1, 2 input, 3 output. Next 4, 5 input, 6 output. Next 10, 9 input, 8 output. This gate number 7408. This is 2 input AND. These two gates are OR. Pin number 1, 2, 3, pin number 4, 5, 6. This OR IC number 7432. That is quad 2 input OR IC. This exclusive OR. Pin number 1, 2, 3 first gate, 4, 5, 6 second gate. And OR and XOR. Three types of gates pin diagram are the same. So first we have to check these gates, then design the circuit. It is very important. Now we go to the analog and digital Taylor kit to take the to design these circuits and tally the truth table. Okay, students, these are 4 type of gates. First of all, you can see this is NOT IC. Next, this is 7486, that is XOR. This is 7408 and this is 7432 OR. This IC we need for full subtractor, but these 3 IC we need for half subtractor. So as per circuit, I already told you keep the rough sheet in front of you to tally the circuit. So first of all, I connect the VCC. This is VCC plus 5 volt at the pin number 14. We have to short 14 pin to another IC because we have to give plus 5 volt and ground to each IC. Then the IC will be activated. This here is our first work. Okay, then we connect the ground at 7, pin number 7. Then we also short the ground each IC. 7 to 7 connected, you can see it. Now we have to design the circuit. First of all, you know first input A, this is suppose A, going to pin number 1 of NOT. As this is NOT gate, this pin number 1. You see, this is pin number 1. Next, pin number 2, you can see the circuit. Pin number 2 of NOT and pin number 1 of AND will be shorted. Pin number 2 of NOT and pin number 1 of AND. This is AND. This third IC is AND. Shorted. Next, pin number for second input is going to pin number 2. See the rough sheet. This B input going to pin number 2 of AND. This is AND, pin number 2 of AND. pin number 2 of AND. Next we get the output from pin number 3 as borrow from the AND IC. Next, pin number 1 of NOT, you see in the rough sheet, pin number 1 of NOT, pin number 1 of NOT and pin number 2 of XOR. This XOR, pin number 2 of XOR will be shorted. Next, pin number 2 of AND, pin number 2 of AND and pin number 1 of XOR also shorted. This one, pin number 2 of AND, pin number 1 of XOR. Then we get the output from the 3. Of XOR gate, that is difference. Now switch on the power. This is 0 condition. So take see the truth table for 0 difference and borrow. This is this first output, you see this first output from XOR, this is difference, and this is from AND, this is borrow. This is difference, this is borrow. The yellow for borrow, okay, and the blue for difference. So for 0 input, both are 0. From 1 you can see difference 1, borrow 1. Or for 0 you can see difference is 1, borrow is 0, and for 1 both are 0. So it satisfied the table of half subtractor. Now we design full subtractor. So we should not open the ground and just open the internal connection. Don't open the ground connection. And supply also, this ground connection, this supply we need not to open because we have to connect this. There is a fourth IC, sorry, 7432 for full subtractor. So we have to short plus 14 plus 5 volt from pin number 14 from another IC, and we have to short ground also from pin number 7. Next we go to the circuit. Should connect the wire properly, otherwise we use wire stripper to strip the wire. Okay, so there are 3 input, A, B in and C. First A, we have to connect serially. A input going to pin number 1 of NOT. So this is NOT IC, pin number 1. Then pin number 1 of NOT and pin number 5 of XOR is shorted. So pin number 1 of NOT and pin number 5 of XOR, that is second IC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is shorted. Pin number 2 of NOT, pin number 2 of NOT, and pin number 1 of AND, this is pin number 1, shorted. Next, pin number 1 and 4 of AND IC is shorted. Pin number 1 and 4, 1 2 3 4, shorted. So A input is now connected. Next we go to the B input, this one. B input is going to the pin number 2 of AND. You see it, pin number 2 of AND. This is AND, pin number 2 of AND. Then pin number 2 of AND and pin number 9 of AND is shorted. Pin number 2 of AND and pin number 9 shorted. Next, pin number 9 of AND, pin number 9 of AND and pin number 9 to pin number 2 of XOR. This is pin number 2 of XOR, shorted. So B connection complete. Next we go to the C input. The C input is going to the pin number 5 of AND. This AND IC 1 2 3 4 5. This 5 point, pin number 5. C input is going to pin number 5. Then pin number 5 and 10 of AND IC shorted. So pin number 5 1 2 3 4 5 and pin number 10, that is opposite direction of AND IC, shorted. Pin number 10 of AND, pin number 10 of AND and pin number 1 of XOR. This is XOR, shorted. So A, B and C, these three inputs are connected. Next we connect to the internal connection, that is output of AND, that is 3. Pin number 3 of AND and pin number 1 of OR. Thus last IC is OR, pin number 1 of OR, shorted. Next, pin number 6 of AND, pin number 6 of AND and pin number 2 of OR, shorted. Next, pin number 8 of AND and pin number 5 of OR, shorted. If you have any rough sheet in front of you, then it would be problem to understand. Now pin number 3 and 4 of OR gate, you can see in the circuit, pin number 3, this is pin number 3 and the second pin, then pin number 4, shorted. Okay, and pin number 3 and 4 of XOR, you see at the XOR, this is XOR, pin number 3 and 4. You have to tick mark whenever one connection is connected. Okay, you see the rough sheet, connect in the breadboard, then tick mark by pencil. Then you have to understand which connection is complete and which are not. So now we get the output. This is blue, this for blue for board. Okay, from pin number 6 of OR. This is pin number 6 of OR. This is for borrow, and difference, this is from pin number 6 from XOR, this one. So we keep all the input in 0 position. Now switch on the switch. Okay, for 0 0 0, please see the truth table. For 0 0 0, borrow 0, difference 0. For 0 0 1, borrow 1, difference 1. You can see both letter glowing. For 0 1 0, it will be same 1 1. For 0 1 1, borrow is 1, difference is 0. It is not glowing, so it is 0. Okay. For 1 1 0, 1 0 0, for 1 0 0, it is 0 1. Okay, for 1 1 0, it is 0 0 0, and for 1 1 1, it is 1 1. Okay, you can see it. So it satisfied the truth table. Thank you.